Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable smart contracts in MetaMask for safety. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To disable smart contracts in MetaMask for enhanced safety, begin by opening the MetaMask extension in your browser. Enter your password to access your wallet. Once logged in, locate the profile icon in the upper right corner. Click on the profile icon to reveal a drop-down menu. Select Settings from the options provided. In the Settings menu, find and click on Advanced. Scroll down to the section labeled Security. Look for the option titled Automatically Suggest Token Approvals. Toggle the switch to disable this feature. Next, return to the main settings page. Select Connections to manage site permissions. Review the connected sites listed and revoke access for any that seem suspicious. You may also want to navigate to Asset Management. Here, you can review and revoke token approvals individually. Click on Token Approval to see all your existing approvals. Select the tokens you wish to revoke access for. Confirm the revocation to enhance your security. After making these adjustments, close the Settings tab. Ensure you regularly check your connected sites and token approvals. Make it a habit to stay informed about potential security updates from MetaMask. By following these steps, you can significantly reduce the risk associated with smart contracts. Your safety in the crypto space is now more secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any request. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.